Naia love stories. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends.
Duppy know who for frighten, looking for those who are easy to scare. Duppy don't look for the smallest, but those who are afraid for say rare. There's no need to be afraid of Duppy, because Duppy walks amongst us all. You'll find one Duppy wherever you go, like at the beach when you are playing ball. Duppy might like all the things you like, from climbing walls to paddling canoe. But frightening people is by far Duppy's favorite thing to do. Duppy won't frighten just anybody, but will frighten almost anywhere. You might be in the market with your friends then, or in the playground when you get a scare. Duppy might back you in the corner or hover all over you. Duppy will go fly all over the place to find the best place for say boo. Duppy might try to scream loudly, get large or make a hullabaloo. One thing Duppy really can't take is when you say, "Me not afraid of you." Duppy know who for frighten, looking for those who are easy to scare. Duppy don't look for the slowest, but those who are afraid for say rare. Duppy know who for frighten, especially when it's dark. So keep your two eyes wide open, shine a light when you're in the park. Whether you're alone with friends or family, beware so you don't trip and fall. Duppy will go try get you when you're down for the fun of seeing you crawl. Duppy know who will be frightened, looking for those who are easy to scare. Duppy don't look for the quietest, but those who are afraid for say rare. Duppy might try to scream loudly or be sneaky so they can say boo. One thing Duppy really can't take is when you say, "Me not afraid of you." If somebody tell you say they see Duppy, all you need to say is, "Okay." Duppy might come and Duppy might go, but don't let Duppy get in your way. Duppy know who for frighten. If you're not bothered, they won't notice you. But if you are panic and ackle up yourself, Duppy will come and see you. Duppy know who for frighten, looking for those who are easy to scare. Duppy don't look for the humblest, but those who are afraid for say rare. Duppy might try to scream loudly or be sneaky so they can say boo. One thing Duppy really can't take is when you say, "Me not afraid of you." Duppy don't mind if you're tall or short, slim or fat, white, brown, yellow or black. All Duppy really is looking for is someone who nah go say nothing back. Like those who look away when Duppy is near, or those who go instead of telling Duppy stop. Duppy will try to speak down to you to see if you are go speak up. Duppy know who for frighten, looking for those who are easy to scare. Duppy don't look for the youngest, but those who are afraid for say rare. So if you ever see Duppy and linger, be yourself and carry on with your day. And if Duppy ever try and approach you, you know now what you have to say. Duppy will try to scream loudly get large and make a hullabaloo. One thing Duppy really can't take is when you say, "Me not afraid of you."